to Chapter 6, Logo, a computer language. Introduction. A computer does not understand English. Thus, a special language is used to tell it to do any task, like to draw a car, play a game, or type a letter. This language is known as computer language. Logo. Among the many computer languages that are available, Logo is the easiest to learn. It is also called the turtle's language. It can be used to draw figures, type text, and solve mathematical problems. Microsoft Windows Logo, MSWLogo, is a popular version of Logo. Starting MSWLogo. Let's see the steps to start MSWLogo. Click on the Start button and choose All Programs. Select and click on Microsoft Windows Logo. Click on the OK button to get the MSWLogo screen. Components of a logo window. Main screen and Commander window are the two main parts of a logo window. Main screen. The main screen is the area where we draw figures. It is also called graphic screen. The various parts of the main screen are title bar, menu bar, and scroll bar. The triangle in the middle of the screen is the logo turtle. It is a small triangle which shows the position from where we can start drawing. It has two parts. They are head and tail. The top of the turtle is its head and the bottom part is its tail. The turtle moves according to the command given to it in the input box. It can move in any direction. Initially, when we start Logo, the turtle appears in the middle of the screen, a place referred to as its home position. Commander window. The Commander window is divided into three parts. Command input box is the place where we type commands. Recall list box records and displays all the commands that we have typed in the command input box. Command buttons help us to work with Logo. Let's see how the command buttons work. Halt. It stops Logo from processing. Trace. It traces and removes errors. Pause. It stops the program for some time. Status. It shows the present setting of Logo. Step. It helps to remove errors step by step. Reset. It clears the Logo screen. Execute. It executes the Logo program. Add all. It changes the Logo command. Activity. Drag and drop. Logo primitives. The commands that we give to the turtle are called Logo primitives. We have to type these Logo commands in the input box. These commands are executed when we click on the Execute button or press the Enter key. There are 9 basic primitives. Let's see how they work. Hide turtle primitive. The short form of hide turtle primitive is HT. This primitive is used to hide the turtle. Command HT, enter. Show turtle primitive. The short form of show turtle primitive is ST. The hidden turtle can be brought back on the screen with this primitive. Command ST, enter. Home. The home of the turtle is in the middle of the screen. This primitive is used to make the turtle reach home. Command home, enter. Clear text primitive. The short form of clear text primitive is CT. This primitive is used to clear the text typed in the text area. Command CT, enter. Clear screen primitive. The short form of clear screen primitive is CS. This primitive is used to clear the turtle screen and erase all text and graphics from the screen. Command CS, enter. There are some direction commands in Logo. Using these, the turtle can be turned through various angles and then moved in any direction. Let's see how the turtle moves in different directions. Forward primitive. The short form of forward primitive is FT. With this primitive, the turtle moves forward in the direction of its head. Command FD space number of steps, enter. Let's see an example to know how the forward primitive works. Type FD40 and press enter. The turtle will move 40 steps forward. Backward primitive. The short form of backward primitive is BK. With this primitive, the turtle moves backward. That is, it moves in the direction of its tail. Command BK space number of steps, enter. Let's see an example to know how the backward primitive works. Type BK 30 and press enter. The turtle will move 30 steps backward. Right primitive. The short form of right primitive is RT. With this primitive, the turtle turns clockwise, which means to the right side of its head. Command RT space number of degrees, enter. Let's see an example to know how the right primitive works. Type RT10 and press enter. The command suggests that the turtle will turn 10 degrees right. Similarly, RT90 indicates that the turtle will turn 90 degrees right. To move the turtle further, we have to give the backward or forward primitives. Left primitive. The short form of left primitive is LT. With this primitive, the turtle turns anti-clockwise, which means to the left side of its head. Command LT space number of degrees, enter. Let's see an example to know how the left primitive works. Type LT10 and press enter. The command suggests that the turtle will turn 10 degrees left. Similarly, LT90 indicates that the turtle will turn 90 degrees left. Repeat command. While working with logo, some steps can be done faster if they are repeated. This is true for any pattern in which we use a sequence of instructions. Let's understand this with an example. FD 100, LT 90, FD 100, LT 90, FD 100, LT 90, FD 100, LT 90. Here we are typing FD and LT commands together and repeating them 4 times to get a square. We can do this in an easier way by using the repeat commands as shown. Repeat 4, FD 100, LT 90. A repeat command repeats the given command for the number of times mentioned in it. For example, to draw a triangle using the repeat command, we type repeat 3, FD 100, RT 120. The command FD 100, RT 120 will be repeated 3 times. Exiting logo. We can close MSWLogo by typing by in the command window input box. We can also exit from logo by clicking on the file menu and selecting exit.